Ay, masarap. Yes, hello mga ka-Jollibit. Now, for today's video, ngayon ay araw ng manggagawa. It's Labor Day. So, I am here at the beach. So, magluluto tayo ng the famous na actually na ginagawa ng mas masarap at laging binabaon, the adobo and the fried pork chop. Ayan. Hello sa mga shoutout sa kanilang lahat sa FCD. Hello. Please follow Jollibit. So, mabuhay ang mga manggagawang Pilipino. Yan, today is a Labor Day. So, I am here at the beach sa Subic, Matnog. So, wala akong spotlight. Umasa ako doon sa solar. Okay? A simple cooking that can amaze actually sa mga nagsiswimming or lahat ng mga binabaon nila is just adobo. The famous Filipino food that can only easily to cook. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa walang sawa. And shout out kay Jocelyn Lobrica. Hello, Jocelyn. Okay, perfect. So ito-toast natin tong fries. So hangon na siya. Masyadong mahal. Okay. A salt. Our pork chop. Okay, just that. Just a little bit. Ang aking director. Dili ka ko. Okay ng ating pork chop. So, ihaon natin siya sa kahirapan. So, sisig. Brown ang ating pork chop with a certain price. I'm going to put a little of oil. So next, isusutate na lang ang sibuyas and bawang para lumabas ang aroma sa onion and garlic. So this is an easy way to cook of adobo. Particularly, there is no right or wrong on how you're going to cook your adobo. Okay? Walang masama or tama sa paggawa ng adobo. So shout out kay Chef RP sa Queen Adobo on how they cook the adobo. So ginaya ko lang to Chef RV, no? Okay, then we're going to put the belly, the pork belly. I have here pork belly. Okay, that's it. So simmer this until it tender ang pork natin. Just a little bit of water. Kasi magwa-water rin naman to, no? And we're going to put the pork cubes. Okay, and we put this pusipi laurel and ground pepper. Then mix this together. Ang bango. Ayan. So kadalasan ang iba naman sa adobo nilalagyan ng star anise para may something na aroma siya. So ito traditional na adobo, and then simmer this around 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, okay, lagay natin yung ating potato. So I have here potato para maglambot siya. Then we will mix this again. Ang bango. Then put some soy sauce. Just a bit of soy sauce. And just a splash of vinegar. Okay. And we will simmer this until it cooks. And also until it cook the tomato. So, ang chili naman, this is an optional. No? If you want some spicy, you can put chili sauce. So, wait until the pork is tender. So, we'll cover this again until 5 minutes or for just 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes simmering our adobo, let us check how it tastes. It's really, really good. Okay. Wow. So let us find it. How it juicy and beautiful our adobo. So since I do not have spotlight, definitely a little dark sa aking place of where I am cooking in. Okay, let's taste first. Perfect. So I have a guest, which is my executive producer of this cooking show. Alright, may I call in the Queen Emmy lang. Hi, Queen Emmy. Please come here to taste adobo.
Hello, good evening.
Hello. Say hi to the vlog. Oo, say hi to your viewers.
Hello to all the viewers of Jollibee.
Yes. So since this is a traditional cook on how you are going to cook the adobo, then try to taste that if that is really, really good. Okay.
Nakamot, it smells good.
Yeah. Ay, masarap. Say hi ang aking director. Kasi that's traditional. There is no calamansi.
Ano talagang kalamansi na natin?
Yeah. Dito ka ho sa harapan ng camera. Oh, yan.
Pwede lang.
Perfect.
Pero okay lang. Ayan
Actually,
naman na kasi.
ang asukal kasi para mag-balance yung alat tsaka
Diri pa man ini kay ho.
Oo.
Kay kung papaano mo ng ano.
Parang
yeah.
Oo, mapakal-
Pero what we're doing is that the lasa ng ating adobo, if that's really good,
Honest review
Honest
yan.
review?
Yes.
for me, okay nang para sa akin, okay na siya. Ang traditional lang, kahit walang sweetness,
Pero
Oo.
I like adobo na super
Yeah.
daming sabaw.
cover that, ayaw mo nang naglalapot-lapot.
Abo.
Bakit?
Kasi
Marunong ka ba magluto
gusto ko
ng adobo?
sauce.
Marunong ka magluto ng adobo?
Hindi.
Bakit?
Oh.
So, hindi nga, marunong ka mapagluto.
Hindi din naman ako marunong kumain eh. That's why it's
Paano mo malulutuan yung loved one mo?
bibili.
Huh? Hindi ka magluluto.
Hindi.
Paano,
Or maghahanap ka na lang ng lalaking hindi marunong din kumain.
okay.
Diba?
Ganun. Parang ang
ganun
hirap
yun.
naman po yata, no? Diba?
Or maghanap ka ng lalaking siyang marunong magluto.
Okay. Pero dapat, tayong mga babae, dapat marunong ka magluto para yun yung comfort ng
Sige,
ano.
maybe
ng
mapag-aaralan na,
love.
diba?
Sana all. So, lalagyan natin siya ng sugar just to caramelize and to balance the acidity of our. So, just a 1 tablespoon. Perfect. And then we will mix this together. Perfect na siya. Perfect. So, cover this. Okay? So, ano pang inaantay nyo mga ka-Jollibee? Magluto na rin kayo dito sa beach ng pinakasimpleng adobo at piniritong pork chop with fried tomato fries. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jollibee. So ano pang natin yung mga ka-Jollibee, magluto na rin kayo dito sa beach ng simple at traditional na adobo and fried pork chop sa ating swimming. Ako pong muli si Jollibee na si Ramon Tiltigon. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!